The Bearish Tri Star. The bearish three-star pattern is a three-line bearish reversal pattern which all three lines are doji candles. Any doji candle except the Four-Price Doji. So its construct of first candle is a doji candle in an uptrend, and the second candle is a doji candle uh, with a body above the prior body, and the third candle is a doji candle with a body below the prior body. The bearish tree star is a very special pattern because it's composed of three doji candles indicating the market indecision. Therefore, the market context in which this pattern appears is especially important. The occurrence of this pattern is extremely rare, so when it occurs, it should not be ignored. In the case of bearish tree star, we have a market which is in an uptrend for a long time. However, the weakening trend is probably indicated by the bodies that are becoming smaller. The first doji is a matter of concern. The second doji clearly indicates that the market is losing its direction. Finally, the third doji warns that the uptrend is over. This pattern indicates too much indecision leading to the reversal of positions. So as a recap, the Bearish Tri Star Doji has to meet the following criteria. The trend must be bullish, all three candles are dojis, the second candle perform a positive gap, the third candle perform as a negative gap.